Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review DottyPost. So DottyPost is a tool that lets you create various content for your LinkedIn profile in order to grow your account. For creating content or post, you have so many options. You can create posts from certain topics, blogs, YouTube shorts, YouTube videos, and once you get a lot of posts, you can also schedule them in advance. And one of the best features of DottyPost is that it also has carousel feature, which means it is going to create carousels using AI. So all you have to do is just provide the topic and the AI is going to come up with the carousel, and then you can also customize that carousel. And no matter what kind of content you create on DottyPost, you can directly share that on LinkedIn from DottyPost. And DottyPost is currently available on SaasZilla as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $1,000, but at SaasZilla you are getting this tool at only $69. This is a one-time single payment, and as you can see already there are 19 reviews. All of them are 5-star reviews. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So you will get access to the one-click AI carousel feature. It has over 20 design templates. All the content that you create, they are going to be created using GPT-4. There are over 100 languages available. You have more than 100 viral post templates. You can create posts according to topic that you choose. And DottyPost supports both LinkedIn personal accounts as well as the company pages. And there is also one-click scheduler. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from SaasZilla. So the tier 1 costs $69. That lets you schedule unlimited posts. You have 30 AI credits. You can add one LinkedIn profile, one company page, one user. You can create one workspace, and you will also get the AI carousel feature. There is also tier 2, tier 3, and then we have the last tier 4, and the highest one is this last tier 5. So here you can schedule unlimited posts, you have unlimited AI credits, you can add a massive amount of profiles, 50 profiles as well as 50 company pages. You can add 50 users to your account, you can create 50 workspaces, you will get AI carousel, you can create content from external sources such as Shorts, YouTube. You can also curate your content with AI. There is the auto plug comment, which means you can add first comment on your scheduled post. There is also a very good upcoming feature, that is this one-click autopilot content planner. And another feature that you will get on the last tier 5 is the analytics, that is also coming soon. So if you want to buy DottyPost on a lifetime deal from SaasZilla, make sure you check the link in the description below. So before I go to the dashboard of DottyPost, first let me show you the roadmap. So as you can see, these are two features that are currently under review. You can also see all the planned features. And then we also have some in progress features. Now let's go to the dashboard. After you log into DottyPost, you're going to get this dashboard, and the first thing that you have to do is connect your LinkedIn account. So once you do that, you can directly post on your LinkedIn from here. For example, you already have one post to share and now you want to share it from DottyPost. So just click on this pencil icon, and then you have to type your post on here. You can add image or PDF. So if you have a carousel that is in PDF format, you can also upload that on here. And once you write your content on this box, you do not have to post it right away. You can also save it as draft in order to post it later. So for that, just click on the save draft. And then on the left side, we have the workspace option. So currently we are on this default workspace. We can also add another from here. And on the left side, you can see all the primary features of this tool. So if I click on this create, now I have a lot of options in order to create content for my LinkedIn profile. So the first one is this topic creation. Let's go here. So now you have to provide your role, the role on your company, what do you do? And then you can also suggest some keywords for topic ideas. So let's fill up all these boxes. So for example, my role is marketer, and what I do is promote lead generation videos, and then I added some relevant keywords. So video, lead generation, marketing. I can also add more keywords. All I have to do is add a comma, and then I can add as many keywords as I want. So now let's get some topic ideas. Let's see what we get. So as you can see, now we have got 5 ideas that we can use in order to create posts on LinkedIn. So for example, I want to create a post on this topic, 5 strategies to boost lead generation with video marketing. So click on create post. Now in order to create our post, we have to choose the template, choose one template. And on DottyPost, we have a lot of templates. As you can see, these are all the categories for the templates. We can also add our own custom template. And after we add our template on this box, we can also save it. So once we save our template, that is going to be available on my template. As a result, we can use it later with any other post. So let's go back to the template. And as you can see, we have a lot of templates. So for example, I want to choose a template from this content marketing. And as you can see here are all the templates. Other than content marketing, we also have AI templates, industry insights, educational, freelancing, LinkedIn growth. So a lot of templates are here. You can use any of these pre-given templates, or you can also create your own from this custom section. So after this topic creation, on the left side, we have this post creation. And for creating post for LinkedIn, we have a lot of options. We can create post from topic or blog, from passage, from YouTube shorts, or also YouTube videos. So for creating post from topic, we have to provide the topic and then choose the template. And for creating post from blog, we have to provide the blog URL, select the template, and then generate the LinkedIn post. So just like this, you can generate a lot of posts for your LinkedIn profile in order to grow your profile. And then we have one of the best features that a LinkedIn tool can have, that is AI carousel. So let's try this. And I really like they have multiple options in order to create carousel. So you can create carousel from topic, from blog, shorts, or also YouTube. So I want to create a carousel from topic. So let's describe a topic on here. So I'm just going to use a very common topic, that is going to be how to generate leads. And then I can choose the design for the carousel. I can choose the template. So this design one, you can see the preview of this template or the carousel from here. And then we have another design. So you can see all of the design from here. And to be honest, the designs are really good. So they have currently 20 designs. And they also have various themes. So you can choose inbuilt color themes. But for that, first you have to choose a template. So once again, let's choose another template. I think this one looks good. So I'm going to choose this one and then go to this theme. Now I can change the color. So as you can see, as soon as I select the color, the full color on these carousels are changing. So just like this, you can customize the theme. And if you want to customize further, you can also do that from this customization of colors. So you can select the background color. You can select the heading, the background 2, heading 2, also summary. And you can also add your signature. So let's add a name. Let's also upload a profile picture. So this is going to be the profile picture. And as you can see, it has now appeared on the carousel. We can also add our social media handle. And then we can also select the call to action number 1 as well as number 2. You can see the call to action on here. So just like this, you can customize your carousel. But now what I want to do is generate our carousel. Let's see what we get. Okay, so we have got a pretty impressive carousel from DottyPost. So the topic was how to generate leads, and they have came up with a compelling title. So it is now create compelling lead magnets. So for that, we have to optimize landing pages. You can also see the subtitle or the body text. And then we have another slide. So just like this, we have got the full carousel from DottyPost. And to be honest, this is a really good AI carousel. And if you do not like any slides, you can also delete it. You can also add more slides by clicking on this plus icon. And once your customizations are complete, you can just download your carousel. And then on this create section, we have this post inspiration. So these are all the posts from real people. Actual people that are sharing this post on LinkedIn, and they are getting viral, which means they are getting a lot of reactions, a lot of comments on this post. So you can also use this post or use AI on this post in order to rewrite them or do whatever you want. And there are a lot of templates for that. So if I go back to the top, so this is the viral template section. Then we have the marketing templates. So as you can see, we have got some more high performing posts that are on the marketing category. You can also see the post on real time. Just click on these 3 dots and then click on view on LinkedIn. And if you want to use any of this post, just click on use AI on this post. Now you can describe your topic on here and then click on generate LinkedIn post. And according to the format of the post that you selected, you will get another post that is relevant to your topic. And other than marketing, we also have a lot more categories. And then we have this manage section. So you can manage all your queue post or all the schedule post. So once you schedule your post, that is going to appear on here. So you can see all of them and exactly when they are going to be published on your LinkedIn profile. You can also see all the published posts on here, and your saved posts are going to appear on this draft section. And then we have the saved content. So the content that you generate on LinkedIn, they are going to appear on here. All of your carousels are going to appear on here. And if you save something from the library, that is going to be found on here. So overall, I think DottyPost is an excellent tool that lets you automate your LinkedIn or automate the content creation part on LinkedIn. And for creating posts, you can choose various templates. There are a lot of viral templates that you can take inspiration from. You can also create AI carousels on DottyPost, and you can manage multiple accounts on DottyPost as well. So if you want to buy this tool on SaasZilla on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy on SaasZilla. There is also tier 4 and tier 5.